guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm so excited. I am doing a try on haul for you guys. This video is sponsored by SHEIN. I do have a coupon code for you guys, which is Myra for 15% off. For any orders over $49, it is free shipping. The thing that I like with them is they have a 75-day policy. 75 days to figure out if this fits you or not, girl. So if you want to do any returns, you have 75 days. I will say I did go through some of this clothing yesterday, so a lot of things are already out, as you guys can see. I'm actually really excited to be doing this video for you guys because I've actually heard a lot about SHEIN. I literally have my friends telling me like, you need to try this brand out, and I've actually never tried it out. This is my first time, so I was actually really shocked to see how affordable and good quality it was. And when I noticed going through the site, it has a variety of different clothing. Like, it doesn't just focus on one style, which I really love. They do put thousands of styles every day on their website. I mean, there's like tie-dye, as you can see that I'm wearing, lingerie, which I think I ordered one piece from them, bathing suits, like literally everything. I am gonna go ahead and link every item that I'm gonna show you guys in today's video down in the description box. Like I said, make sure you guys use my code Myra for 15% off. So without further ado, if you guys are excited for this cute summer try on haul, give it a huge thumbs up. Let me know in the comments, what are you most excited about this summer? Because I know right now, girl, you know, it's a little hard, you know, even if you just gotta enjoy the view from the window. So without further ado, let's get started. So the thing that I love about SHEIN is that they do carry plus size. So this set specifically is 0XL. I actually have the top on right now. I love that it's like super bright in your face. This is definitely very summer. Like, look at the shorts. The shorts are actually such a perfect length. I feel like I love the colors. They're just so like out there. And the material of this actually is so good, you guys. And it was really affordable, which is just so crazy to me. This is another tie-dye top. This is like a cropped top. So this one, honestly, yes, I could have got in large, but this is a 1XL. Wow, 1XL is pretty big, but I love the idea of it being loose. So like for crop tops like this, if I do get anything bigger, I love that it looks just very oversized and just very casual. I have a feeling I purposely got it a bigger size so it can just look flowy and nice. It is supposed to be a little bit cropped, so I'm curious to see how it's going to look on me. I'm a huge fan of light blue. I think light blue is such a pretty color, but it definitely looks really big. But I'm excited to see how it looks because I am a fan of like oversized crop shirts. Instead of just getting something that's like fitted your size, it depends like the vibe you're going for. All right, next up are these biker shorts. I did get these in a size 0XL. I'm really obsessed with biker shorts right now. It is just something easy that you could throw on with anything, and it looks really cute. It's kind of like how leggings were back then. I feel like that's how biker shorts are right now. Look at them. Oh my god, they are so cute. So these are sunflower biker shorts, as you can see. I love that it has the sunflower print because it makes it a little bit different from just wearing plain old like black or white biker shorts. I just cannot get over this print. Like, I cannot. Like, I'm obsessed with these. I haven't worn sunflower print in forever, you guys. I feel like these are just so perfect right now. I cannot wait to wear these. So this is another set. I actually am a huge fan of sets because it is such an easy way to dress yourself. You don't have to think about the top you're gonna be wearing, the pants, the shorts, the skirt, etc. So sets are just boom, like you dress them fast. Or the thing that I also love is you get like 2 for 1. There's days where you'll just wear the top or just the pants. So last night I actually filmed a video and I just threw this top on. It is just a cropped black shirt, and I like that it's like a little loose. And I believe this is a 0XL as well, and it does come with these really cute pants. I feel like this is such an airport, running errands, grocery shopping, chilling around the house outfit. So pretty. I feel like personally for me, like if I do want to feel cute while I'm running errands, like these are the kind of outfits I do with like a beef face, my glasses, girl. I'm excited to wear these pants. They look really comfortable, and it does also have the little red to match the top, and they do seem really stretchy. We love stretchy in this house. Okay, so the next outfit is so cute. This is another interesting thing that I forgot to point out in the beginning. I love that SHEIN kind of puts outfits together for you already. So I got this top, which I thought was so cute. It is a white long sleeve off the shoulder. I love that it's scrunched and it's flowy. And they put it together with these shorts. and they seem really, really stretchy. I think this is such a cute outfit. This is something that I would have naturally put together. Like if they had sold it separately, I would have bought it together and worn it together. Period. So up next is this top. It is kind of hard to show you guys, and this is something that definitely looks a lot better on. I freaking love the sleeves. Look at the actual strings that you tie. I like that it has this detail at the end. This is a shirt that's gonna look so cute, and this one is a little bit more cropped. I feel like I would totally wear this with like some high-waisted jeans or again some shorts, and I like that in the center it's kind of like revealing, like in the chest area, but still cute at the same time. Okay, so up next is this leopard dress, which again feels so good. Oh my god, this print is everything. Look at that. That is so pretty. Oh my god, it's not a dress. It is a romper. I don't know why I thought it was a dress. This is gonna look so pretty. I love the shorts. I feel like it's not too short, not too long. This is such a beautiful romper. I feel like this is something you could wear during the daytime or the nighttime. Like you can either dress it down or dress it up. Oh my god, next up is this skirt that actually really caught my attention because I really like the print of this. This really like took me back to like the 90s. Look at the ends. Like I love the tip of this skirt. Just look at the bottom of this skirt. Like I love that it like has that little wavy thing. Oh my goodness, I can't even explain it. It is so beautiful. I feel like this is something my mom wore like either in the 80s or 90s. I'm not even sure, but I am obsessed with this print. It's so pretty. I feel like this would look beautiful with like a black top or even like a camel color as well. Oh my god, I cannot wait to wear this. Why do I keep saying that with like every outfit? So I got this other sunflower crop top. I feel like sunflowers are really, really in by looking at the site, and I had to get it. This is just like a crop top. Ooh, I really like that it scrunches right here, kind of in the center of the waist, and it feels actually really, really stretchy. So pretty. Okay, so before I move on to bathing suits, I want to show you guys a little workout set that I got. I thought this was so pretty because it's just, again, very summer vibes. So here is a top. I love this print. Oh, I'm living. I feel like right now that I've been trying to work out, I really feel unmotivated when I'm like in just random sweats and this like random oversized t-shirt. It just like, I'll work out, but I feel like I just don't work out like feeling good. You know what I mean? When you have a really cute set on, you actually work out feeling good, and you just like feel yourself. I don't know how to explain it. When you look good, you feel good. So I think it is important to wear cute outfits as well. Comfortable, cute workout outfits. But here are the pants, and they seem very stretchy. I just really like this print. Like, I don't think I've seen this print. It kind of gives me like tiki like vibe. I think it's so pretty. Oh yes, living for these leggings. Like, I can't, but I just love like the blue, like the contrast with the orange. I think this is gonna look so cute, and it might just work out a little more. Ooh, and the pants are super high-waisted. I don't know if you can see, like, live for high-waisted pants in general. And you know what's funny? These are the kind of sets too that you could even wear without not working out. Like, if you want to be beat running errands, wearing gym clothes, like I feel like I've definitely been that person where I will wear gym clothes without working out, and I just feel cute in it running errands. Let me know if you do that too. So last but not least, we're gonna move on to bathing suits. I'm really excited about these bathing suits because they had some really, really cute ones. Honestly, I'm gonna be real with you guys. I am not the kind to wear bathing suits comfortably. I feel like I am a little bit more like, oh my god. I actually recently posted a bathing suit picture on my Instagram, and it took like a lot of balls for me to post that because I just feel like weird. I'm just not used to wearing a bathing suit. I think girls look beautiful with bathing suits, like regardless the size, you know? But it takes a lot for me to actually go out in the public with a bathing suit on, even like going to the beach, etc. But when I do have some really cute ones, like, you know, I do feel myself a little bit. I'm trying to normalize it more in my life, and I have worked on it. I feel like I can wear more bathing suits, you know, like when I get in the pool. A couple of times I have gone to like the beach and stuff, and I've worn bathing suits. I think it's just part of like an insecurity. So the first one is so pretty. It's like a neon yellow green. So let me start off by showing you guys the undies. So the bottoms are like this. I love that it's high-waisted. I feel like high-waisted is so in. Look how pretty. I'm living for the neon. I love it. I love it. Here is a top. Super, super pretty. I love that it ties on the neck. I really actually like bathing suits like that. And then my favorite part that kind of adds like an edgy twist to this bathing suit is the top. It comes with this like mesh cropped long sleeve. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. This I would love to throw on when I'm like out of the pool, walking around, maybe like in the beach, or even like actually wear it in the pool as well. Like, oh, I think it would look so pretty. I don't think I've ever owned any bathing suit that comes with a top like this. It is so pretty. It is my favorite bathing suit out of the bunch that I chose out. So this next bathing suit is Cheetah Print. I believe actually the other neon green was like Cheetah Print as well. So this is her right here. I love these bottoms because they're very high-waisted, but like as you can tell, it's gonna show a lot of the thigh and the hip, which is super sexy. You guys, look at this top. Like, I love that it kind of just goes straight at the chest. It gives it like a different look. I really think this is so pretty. It's like not your typical bra bathing suit. I believe most or all of the bathing suits I did get like high-waisted. I feel like low bathing suits, like I'm really cautious about like when I sit down and like my stomach rolls and stuff. Cheetah's really in. I know for a while Cheetah was kind of just on the low, not really in, because I used to wear Cheetah literally like in my middle school days, and then it kind of just like everybody forgot about it, and then it came back, and I love that it came back because I've always loved it. And speaking of animal print, this last bathing suit, I'm so excited to show you guys because it's cow print. What? Girl, I've been wanting to wear cow print for a minute. I'm obsessed with cow print. I actually got cow print nails last year, and I've been trying to find an outfit that's cow print, and I haven't been able to. And I found this bathing suit, and I was in shock because I don't know, I really like cow print. I think it's such a pretty print. So here are the bottoms. Again, I love that it's super high-waisted. It's gonna show a lot of hip and thighs. This is so sexy. Like, are you kidding? You guys know I'm really obsessed with high-waisted anything, so I feel like high-waisted bottoms really do give you more of an hourglass shape. And here's the top. So pretty, right? I feel like this with like a bomb black smoky eye over, even though you're gonna be like, you know, in the pool. I just feel like bathing suits with a beat face just looks so pretty. I'm a cow, period. Okay, so last but not least, I'm gonna show you guys a lingerie piece. This is actually tiger print. So it is this like bodysuit. Like I said, it's supposed to be lingerie. I think it's so cute. I feel like you can definitely wear this with some jeans and it would look really pretty, or you could wear this as actual lingerie. I feel like I would honestly also even wear this just like as a top with jeans, like I said, kind of like a bodysuit. And I like that it's tiger print, and it seems like really stretchy, so I think it's gonna fit. I've been wanting also something that is tiger print just because, you know, I'm really obsessed with tiger print right now, and I like at the chest it has this little material. Definitely lingerie vibes, but like I said, yeah, it is lingerie. They have a lot of different kind of lingerie on their site, but I just needed to get one piece. I like that you can literally like use this for however you want to use it. Lingerie, bodysuit, whatever you please. But that basically completes this try on haul. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what was your favorite outfit. I had a lot of favorites. Honestly, SHEIN has some really cute clothes. I highly recommend you guys check them out. I'm gonna have the link down in the description box. Like I said, my coupon code is Myra for 15% off. If you do any orders over $49, you do get free shipping. And like I said, you have 75 days to return this clothing in case it does not fit. I highly recommend you guys check them out. They have a lot of cute clothes on their site, especially right now for the summer. I feel like they are on point. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I love you, and I'll see you guys in the next one.